To adjust permissions on POCO F8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit in order to find Privacy Protection. We want to go over here. And after that, we have the list of different permissions. So of course, we can tap on all permissions in order to find all of them. So we can select the permission, and then we can find apps that have or have not access to this permission. If the permission is granted, then of course we will see it in allowed. If not, then we will see in not allowed. You can select, of course, these apps in order to choose if you want to grant the permission or not. In some other cases, we have some additional options, like for example, allowed only while in use. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to apps, and then of course we will open the list of apps. You can select any of these apps, and over here we have app permissions as well, so you can see all permissions that are granted and not granted for the selected app. So essentially you have two ways that allow you to grant or revoke permissions. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.